Wait a minute. Let me show it.
Can I drop it in?
Yes.
It was dark by the time we got there. The camping one on 3 maps and his smiling disposition.
Oh, it just flew off the nail.
Okay, so for the tea, I let my tea boil for a little bit. And then one of them had fallen off. Where did it go? I wonder if I got it tangled up in here. One of the tea bags had fallen off its string, but I think I must have caught it in this.
Be down there because the ant almost
Yep.
all of it.
Nifty. Okay, so I just tie them together, and then they're easy to pull out. And then,
A coffee thing broke.
yeah,
Coffee brewer.
I pulled our coffee brewer out this morning, cold brew. It was a gallon jar with the cold brew basket, and I dropped it on the floor. So, just gonna rearrange things. I'm gonna make that in a milk can. Naomi's going to grind us some hollow roast coffee.
I think it's up and put
We
And-
usually use the other coffee. Shepherd's
We
Crook.
use this and Shepherd's Crook primarily,
I put this on.
and they're both good. So
Wait, you can crank it.
this she'll fill about 3/4 full, and I'll make it in a 1 gallon that milk
You can
can,
put the lid on.
which I will do in a
I
minute.
cranked it too.
Are you gonna crank or are you gonna scoop out sugar?
Crank.
Crank. So I am making
Uh-huh.
a gallon and a half of tea.
What kind? Sweet tea? And this is concentrate, right?
This is concentrate.
What kind of tea
That's
are you
super
making,
splattery.
Mom?
I'm gonna make just a plain tea. Well, a plain sweet tea, and a
We buy the sweet tea bag.
and then Naomi peeled a couple of peaches this morning,
And slice.
so we're gonna make a gallon of peach tea.
Peach tea.
So that's about 2 cups of sugar
Okay,
for 3 gallons.
that's enough.
I like about 3/4 of a cup
That's enough.
per gallon.
Once I grinded.
So while the tea is still hot, I'm going to dissolve in all the sugar.
You can really smell that tea.
We use Louisiana tea.
Oh,
But it really tastes good if you add it to ice
Can I do that now?
and
Can I do that now?
put it in your cup. Yeah, just a bit.
We are restocking all of our drinks right now. I'm hoping that everything will last 2 or 3 days, and we're having company in 2 days. So I want to make sure that we don't have to stop
Wait, no.
seeing company to make drinks too.
Try this.
So now we don't have company. You've been cranky. I just
Yeah.
want her.
Then they can quickly have drinks too. I'm going to add about 2/3 to this 2-gallon jug.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Are you done? Am I done?
You can go a little bit longer. Could I grab some?
So now I'm going to add this cold water that I have. Whew.
Look how much I cranked, Mom.
Good cranking, bud.
I cranked a lot.
Do you want to get another one of cold water?
Oh, it's full, Naomi.
So-
oh, it's full.
Almost.
I was going to use this
You can fill it up.
for the peach tea. So the peaches are already in here. Uh-oh, somebody jammed it on. There we go.
Those things are always hard to get off, and then the milk
And then,
splashes. Oh, it's peach sweet tea.
yes. Some children don't like the clumps and won't drink this.
I don't like the clump.
It's alright.
You don't?
I think it's peach
Can you put a little bit of water in there?
Peach clubs,
squish it.
'cause I like peach
Yeah, just
clubs.
like a cup.
I like sweet
Yeah.
peach clubs. All these sweet peach clubs.
Actually, fill it about
I
halfway.
like the clubs if they are sweet.
You do?
Yep, that's what.
So for the children that don't want the peach, they can just have the regular sweet or some of the other drinks we're making. Yeah, cold, please. Wow, that's full, bud. Good job.
I told me before.
Get as close as you can to me.
Thank you, sir. So we'll top this one off. Whoa, splattered. And then that will go to the fridge. So we have 2 gallons of sweet tea. And then
Let me see.
let's
Oh.
dump this in here. And that should have cleaned it out of the peach stuff. It did. So I'm going to put the rest of this water in here. And then I'm going to put the peach tea in this. Unconventional, but it'll work. I should not have broke my jar.
Yep, that's bad.
It was a bad deal.
But on accident you did it.
Right. Accidents happen, don't they?
What jar?
The cold brew jar. I'm actually going to add a little bit more water to this.
I don't know.
Just a second.
And then this should
Let's
fit
count.
fine.
Let's count to my eggs. Well, how many?
At least it can't tip over in here.
4.
Well, how many?
But I just can't fill it up past the rim of that, of the cold brew thing.
One,
Okay, can you hand me that lid there?
four, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And then we are going to make,
We're gonna do another hot.
I'm going to put the lid on there. We will probably put this in one of our drink coolers, but for now this will just go in the fridge.
Mom, it's done. Grab some of it.
So you pour it in here. We need to fill that up about 3/4 of the way. Mac,
This is so coffee.
can you see what can come out of my fridge? And this is full of sweet tea. Can you put it in my fridge?
You can. Oh.
I also need to make room for this peach tea that's right there. That's not watertight.
This is not gonna fit.
Just
I just took out a gallon jar. I just need to clean out the lid.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're done. You're done. I already.
Grind a little bit, and then you got to go take a bath.
Tell me when I'm done, Mom. Am I done? Hey, I think it's done.
Sweet. All right, give it to Dane. Go take a bath. Do a good one.
Okay, I'll take my own little.
Don't worry,
Okay.
we'll have to restock this
Ask
episode.
Joe to get you close.
Next time you can do it. We're
We're
gonna drink all the coffee and then we're gonna make more coffee.
I'm getting told to people because I'm going to do my own.
So I have 2 jars that I'm going to put this in. This one smells good, but not as tasty as the other one.
This is a nice vest. Look,
Oh, good.
got my hat.
Can you put your pants on before you come on the camera?
Oh, no, yeah.
Okay.
This is our favorite honey.
Yes.
Just add it to matcha and bubbly water, plain bubbly water.
Or hot water. It's very good.
to make
It's
things numb.
honey citron and ginger. It's very good. We like it. They sell it at Asian places a lot, international markets, and then also Costco. I think this one was from Costco.
I think it's
All right, so this is some mandarin mint from our neighbors. We have the greatest neighbors. And this is my favorite mint tea. I use it for other things, but primarily mint tea. So I don't
Show them where they can buy it.
I don't use hot water. I cold brew my mint tea because it tastes more like dessert. So, whoops.
Show them where to buy it at.
Well, they can just, I don't know. You can order seeds or something.
No, I mean.
So I bruise it. Just please wait. Yeah, I can link these pictures below. I found it at an antique store, and I was kind of bummed. I was like, I think this is an antique, and it's made in Italy, and it's so great. It has a locking lid, which I love. But they do sell them on Amazon, and I do plan on getting a couple more. So I bruise it up a little bit, and then spread it out. No, don't share her name. And then I lock the lid. And then I'll put this in my fridge. The reason I don't use hot water is this will taste like dessert. If you use hot water for mint tea, it's fine, but it pulls out like the green flavor of it. And this just tastes like, oh, it's so refreshing. Yes, good word. And smooth and no green flavor. It's just like the oils of the mint. Fantastic. I haven't tried it with this Mandarin chai yet, but we do have, just a minute, we do have a Mandarin mint. I'm good at that. Okay, Mandarin mint. We have a Mandarin chai that we love. But we do have some water mint at our spring that we love done this way. Just so good. If you can cold brew some mint tea, you need to.
Does coffee grow? Coffee plant?
Coffee trees, yes.
Oh, that's nice.
It is nice. Okay, so we have this cold brewing.
No.
We have these 2 jars of the, off the table please, dogwood, marjoram, hawthorn, and thyme. These teas should help show you things that you don't think of for tea are fantastic for tea and give you different nutrients. So these 2 will be sun tea. They're going to stay outside. I have, yeah, until they're brewed. Tonight or in the morning, I will strain them and put them in the fridge. The peppermint, or the Mandarin mint, is going to go in my fridge and just cold infuse. And then I have 2 gallons of the sweet, please wait.
Up, please.
Okay. But don't interrupt while I'm talking, okay? Thank you. So I have the 2 gallons of sweet tea in my fridge. I have this peach lime tea that's going to go to my fridge in a minute. You want to take that into Joelle?
Yeah.
And then I have this 1.5 gallons of the other tea, which is the Organum, currant leaves, rose hips, peppermint, rhodiola rosea. You're interrupting, please. Just a minute. And marigold petals. And Azariah is going to show you what he's working on. This one, wait a minute, actually. This tea is going to sit outside and also sun tea. So, you take this to the fridge.
Okay.
Now, Azariah, you may show them what you're doing. And then come back to this mint one.
Grinding coffee grounds, and I'm going to say what's inside. So, can I break this off? Will you break this off, Mom? So I could show
I can take it off. I don't want to break it off.
Yeah. So that's some coffee.
Yeah.
And now here's the lid that I grind it with. This is the part you use it with. And put the lid thing on. And now we're gonna grind it now. I can do a full grind. My sister grinded it a little bit, but now I gotta grind it the rest.
And we're making some cold brew, yeah?
Only in the cold brew, yeah. So,
This one goes to the fridge too.
We drank a lot of teas.
We
Hopefully this will last a month.
No. I'm hoping this will last 3 days.
I'm hoping too. I'm helping it.
You are helping, and I need your help.
I wish it would last for 1 day.
You do you?
One. Now it's done.
If we run out tomorrow, I'm going to be too tired to make more.
If we want to make more, if we run out of it, what if it dries? Oh, if you leave water outside, the sun will take the water away.
Yeah.
Have a little bit.
It's called evaporate. You're right.
I thought that before. There's a lot of water in the pan. Just a little bit.
You noticed that on your own.
Yeah.
That's good, smart thinking.
How
Good
much did I
observation.
get? This is how much of coffee I got.
Yeah, very good.
And I got like 1 inch. Or something.
Very good.
Dad bought Mom flowers.
Oh my goodness.
More?
You're spoiling me. Do you think I'll kill him or do you think I'll make him live?
Well, he said the spider plant, which I didn't buy, but he said to get it to like send off, babies, you just gotta leave it
Neglect it?
root bound and
Oh.
starving or
Oh,
whatever.
so it's like if I put out children.
I was like, oh well, my wife would be great with propagating that.
Probably would.
This one of them broke off. He put it somewhere. He says
here?
you can just stick. No, he says you can just stick it in the ground.
What
and
is
it'll
it? Do you know
grow.
what it's called?
No,
Okay.
it's got flowers. It's purple.
Is there more?
Pretty.
I want to get more in the next. There's more,
Patrick went to a guy's house and got some tomatoes, some yellow squash, and zucchini. We got ours planted a little late, so we don't have any yet.
Ground beef.
And then a bunch of ground beef from a farm that we like.
2 things of it.
2 things of it.
But we still got some last night.
And that's a nice one. We'll probably fry it up tomorrow.
Yeah, two does.
Okay, set that over there.
Nice and
Did you see the flowers that Papa got me?
He has
Oh, not this bush.
Slice that up for supper.
Camera didn't see this bush.
Oh, it didn't? Hold it up. That's a nice one.
Tomato.
Nice. Okay, just let the
This
tomatoes,
tomato.
put them upside down in there so they go
I just
good.
found this.
Go see if, okay, well don't bump it anymore.
This upside down.
Go see if Papa got us ice.
Mama, this upside down.
Yes, that would be upside down. Okay, so our coffee is cold brewing here. And that will move to our refrigerator and cold brew overnight.
He forgot.
Okay, so we forgot ice, so we're not going to fill up the drink cooler right now. But that's okay. We were going to move everything to the fridge. That's good. So the teas. We've got 2 gallons of sweet tea, regular. We've got a gallon of peach lime, a gallon of cold brew coffee, a gallon and a half of one of the Russian herbal teas, and a gallon of the other Russian herbal tea. Neither of those 2 are sweetened. And okay, so just set it on the freezer in the barn. Set it in the freezer. And then one of the herbal teas, I only made a gallon, and it might need to be watered down a little bit. I just didn't want to make 3 half gallons of it. And since it's cold brewing or sun teaing, it's harder for it to get bitter, so I'm not worried about that. But I'm hoping that these drinks will last us 3 days with company. And I was gonna put our sweet tea in this drink cooler with some ice, and we don't have ice right now. So maybe I'll get ice between now and then, because the drink cooler is really handy for that. I'll show you. This is a 5-gallon drink cooler, and the inside is stainless, and it's handy. We have 2 of them. We have 1 blue one and 1 purple one, blue and red, and
But we forgot the
you can stack them, so that's handy as well.
There's different sizes, I think.
Oh,
Fresh grown peaches, and our friend Renee gave it to us.
yep. She brought us a box of yummy peaches.
A little bit of cracks, and Erica.
That's normal. That's not a crack. It didn't crack. It's just a
kind of
dimple.
like crack, but our friend Erica gave me a support popsicle, and
Did it taste like peaches?
No,
Oh,
I just.
she did give you one.
Yep, and
All
they were
right.
good.
I'm gonna end the video now.
Peaches are better than mangoes.
It's because
No,
you don't
mangoes-
react to peaches.
Mangoes
All right.
are better than
The taste.
peaches.
We will talk to you next time. Bye.
Bye.
What taste do you